Your EV doesn't guess about battery health. It measures it constantly. Here's how it catches faults before they catch you. The battery management system samples cell voltages, module temperatures, pack current, and voltage many times per second. It also monitors isolation to chassis, contactor status, and high voltage interlock or HVAL. There are multiple fault types, like electrical, over or under voltage cells, over current or shorts, charger mismatch. We have thermal faults like the over temperature, under temperature, or isolation faults like leakage from the high voltage system to the vehicle chassis. So how the battery detects them? First, they check thresholds plus rates. If a cell is drifting a high or low or drops fast under the load, it's flagged. Second, battery has DCIR checks, quick pulse tests. It observe a current step. A larger voltage drop equals to higher internal resistance, a sign of aging or damage. For isolation test, an insulation monitor injects a small signal to estimate leakage. Too low, isolation fault. Pre-charge and contactor well test. The car briefly charges the inverter bus via a resistor. If a voltage behavior isn't right or bus stays high after opening, the contactor well is suspected. HVAL or high voltage interlock loop faults. A simple loop, if a connector opens or a cover is removed, the loop breaks and the BMS disables high voltage. For the balancing anomalies, if one cell won't catch up during top-up balancing, its delta stays high and it is logged as a fault. So what the car does next? It can reduce charge or regenerative power, set a warning, limits fast charging rate. Sometimes it exits DC fast charging and requests service. And in severe faults, the battery can open its contactors, which may blow a pyro fuse and commands pull over safely. So what you'll see as a driver when these faults happen? Warning icons like reduced power, charging stops early, or messages like service high voltage system are going to pop up. Don't ignore them. That's the short story. Sensors plus quick tests plus smart rules equals to early fault detection. Download the free one-page PDF. How EVs detect battery faults. Link is in the description. Save it before your next road trip. Thank you.